Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button. It feels great to be back here on YouTube. That said, I'm going to be showing you how to make Naija meat pie. However, before I delve right into it, let us quickly go on this short break. Welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you these are the ingredients: self-raising flour, salted butter, milk, egg, potatoes for the filling, and minced meat. So I'm just going to be adding 4 cups of self-raising flour into a bowl. Then following that, I'll be adding half tablespoon of salt, followed by baking powder. And I'm going to be adding my edible collagen. This is not a vital ingredient. However, based on personal preference, I love to add it. So I'll be adding sugar, then I would mix everything all together. Then I decided to cut the butter so that it would be easy to mix. So I'm just going to be mixing all of that till it becomes powdery. Then I will add my eggs. So I use 4 eggs. And then add milk as well. Mix everything together and cover the dough and put it inside fridge. So now I can conveniently work on my filling. So the filling is the content of the meat pie. And for that, you need potato, carrots, minced meat, scotch, bonnet pepper, onions. So I'm going to be boiling this mixture, the carrot and the flour, because the carrot and the potatoes, because I want it to be soft. I don't want it to be crunchy inside my pie. So for the minced meat, I've added salt, curry, thyme, all the spice needed, and I'm just going to be frying everything. And you check the quantity of oil I'm using to fry. It's not so much, so you don't have to put so much oil so that the oil won't be dripping out of your pie. So you fry the minced meat till it turns brown. Then add your scotch bonnet pepper, and following that, you'll be adding your boiled potato and carrots. So then you mix everything together, add little water. Then I decided to mash some of the potato so that my mixture would be creamy. Then I would just put off the gas and let it cool. You see how creamy it is. So I'm going to be prepping my pan by adding some oil, brush it around, spread it, then put the pie inside. So now this is where it gets more interesting. So I've just sprinkled some flour and prep my rolling pin as well, because I don't want the dough to be sticking on the board. Then get a curved plate and then cut the dough. Put the filling inside. See that the filling is already cold, and seal the pie up by using egg. So I'm just going to get a fork to do the design at the tip of the pie. Then subsequently the same process, really. Roll your dough, don't roll it too much, don't let it to be too flat. Put your filling inside, seal it up, and make your design. So I decided to perforate the pie. I don't know why I did that, probably so that heat to get inside. However, regardless, heat will still have its way of getting inside. But because that's how they do it traditionally, I'm just used to doing that. So did you get the setting of my oven? So I'm just going to be baking at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Don't forget that I preheated my oven for 15 minutes. So while doing yours, to try to preheat your oven for 15 minutes at 250 degrees C before you put in your pie at 180 degrees. Don't get it mixed up. So that's the pie. So what are you going to eat your pie with? Are you going to eat it with Coke, with Fanta, with juice, or water? Kindly let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Look at the pie. And I'm still here even after I've said bye. Just take a look at the pie. That's a lovely pie, ain't it? So I forgot to mention that please kindly share this video in all your social media platforms. Thank you.